Hello, here I have POCO F7 and let me show you how to create AI automatic notes on the following device. Alright, so let's start by open the list of all apps, choose here Recorder, and let's assume that you are on some class or for example on some meeting and you would like to create automatic notes. All you need to do is use this following button right here. Choose only this time, or while using the app, let me use only this time. And right now the device is recording the sound, but also the AI speech recognition feature is saving what we are saying on the following video. Basically, all words that's coming from the microphone is saved on the following notes. As you can see, we can stop it. The device is saving videos, and as you may notice, here you've got, let me tap allow. Here we've got the records, and also here we've got the AI summary. Here we've got also the translation and the transcription of the following video. So it's really useful. You can use it on your class, you can use it on your meetings. Very nice AI feature that you can use on your smartphone. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.